Hello everyone. Here I am Jayesh with Wankhede, team leader of the team named Speech Synergy. Here I am going to present my topic in very short minute. So we have taken the problem statement ID 1714, which was based on the topic software for speech language therapy and clinical services. It was the theme of MD Tech, Biotech, and Health Tech. So it was a PS category of software. So what is the problem statement here? So there are three people. We can divide the problem statement in three people. One is patient, second is therapist, and third one is the supervisor. So what we have to do, we have to perform. One is management, one is we have to give some practice to the patient. We have to take some we have to solve the problems of this patient. The problem of those patient have the speech problem, like when they talk they have to utter some words, like there is a challenge of the physically disabled people, not physically but they are lacking to talk in a well manner in the speech therapy. So we are going to provide a proper management in between the three guys, therapist, patient, and a supervisor. Also we are going to provide AI driven approaches, propose solution to the patient, so they will get more help by our software. So what we have proposed our solution is, first one is a data driven matching, second is a centralized platform for management, third one is a streamlined revive means, like, suppose the supervisor want to revive what the therapist providing the what therapy is providing to the patient, so that streamlined review can be seen by the supervisor. And our AML proposed solution is like speech therapy practice game. Second one is real-time pronunciation feedback. So first one is speech therapy practice game, involves like you have to, so we are going to propose some of the games which will be AI driven. So it will learn like how is the person is talking, is he having any issue while talking, what's the main issue. So he will target that issue, and on the base of that issue he will make the game as per the personalized game for the patient. And second is the real-time pronunciation feedback, that includes, suppose the person A wants to talk to the person B, then while talking there the person A will have some speech difficulty while talking to the person B. So it will recognize the word in real-time words which was like where is the lack of the person, where he or was not able to utter the word. So in that way we will provide dynamically where you was wrong, where you were wrong and you were not able to utter the word in that way. So our innovative and uniqueness of the solution, including the AI ML driven solutions, are we are going to include the telepathy integration. Suppose the patient is not present here, or suppose the therapist is not present in the hospital, so we will provide them like online sessions. Second is continuous learning and adaptation. As I said earlier, we can provide a game which will adapt them which thoroughly selfless, so as per the patient. Second is the interactive learning as per the game. Third one is the progress tracking, like we will analytics, like how is the person is going. We will provide a report, and will also summarize it with AI for the supervisor and therapist to understand well. And AI powered virtual therapy assistant, we are also going to provide chatbot, so the patient could like suppose if the therapist and supervisor are not present at that time, the patient could talk to the AI chatbot. And fifth one is the real-time pronunciation feedback. As I mentioned earlier, we are going to provide real-time feedback, like where the person was unable to utter. So social benefits of our project will be like increase access to therapy. Absolutely, will be good management, so there will be good therapy will be provided by therapist, and the supervisor will also have a good feedback on that. So empowerment and inclusion. Second is the economic benefit, like cost efficiency. If we are going to provide telepathy therapy like on online session, so that will be also a good for the therapist and also for the patient. And it's a scalable solution. We can scale this as much as possible. We'll just need to scale the project. Third one is the healthcare system benefits, like improve quality of care, resource optimization, and patient-centered care like personalized therapy plans and increase engagement. So guys, we have developed one website, one demo website, and one accurate chatbot which will give more and good accuracy. So I'm not going to show you that. So look into it. So this is our website, like a demo website we have developed. Here we are going to show the patient statistics, therapy statistics, like how it's going, the final outcome, the report, like how many patients are now enrolled. Like we are also going to perform the word match, speech translate, speech recognition games, sound hunt, rhythm time, like a sentence builder, articulation quiz, story time. For here we have the contact us, right? Here's the analytics, here is the communication between, suppose we have to give some feedback to the therapist through the supervision, then also therapist and supervision can talk here in communication, assigning patient supervision. So in this way we have developed one website. Second one is the healthcare assistant. So healthcare assistant is like our one chatbot. So if we put here what is speech therapy and how can we do it at home. So here we get the content like what is speech therapy. Speech therapy, also known as language pattern, is a type of therapy that focuses on the assessment and diagnosis. So this is our chatbot demo also, which gives accurate answer as it can. So in this way we have developed our project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am going to explain the flowchart. This is basically a AI part of our project. The flowchart consists of three primary input components on the web: patient info, PDF report, and the patient audio. Each of these inputs leads to various pre-processing units and outputs, which I will explain in detail. The first, the patient info. The process begins with patient information is entered into the web application. This data can include personal details, medical history, and other relevant health information. Then it is passed to clustering. Once the patient information is collected, it undergoes the clustering process. This is where the patients are grouped based on a certain characteristics or patient patterns in their data. Clustering helps in identifying similarities among patients, which can be useful in tailoring treatment plans. Third, the recommended therapist. Based on the clustering result, the system recommends a therapist. The recommendation is made by matching the patient profile with therapists who have expertise in dealing with a similar case. This ensures the patient receive the most suitable care. Last, the second process is the PDF report. The web application allows upload a generation of a PDF report containing comprehensive details about the patient condition. Then it is passed to Gen AI. This advanced AI analyzes the report content, extracting the key information and patterns. The output of this process is summarized version of a report. The summary provides an easily digestible overview highlighting the most critical information. This is particularly useful for quick reviews by the medical professionals. The third input is the patient audio. The pathway involves capturing the patient audio input, which might include descriptions of symptoms or responses to questions during a session. Then the audio input is processed using a speech recognition technology. Here we are going to use the NLP. This converts the spoken words into text, making it easier to analyze and store for future references. Improve text for conversation. Once the speech is recognized and converted to text, the system refines this text to improve the quality and coherence of the conversation. This step ensures that the communication between the patient and the therapist is clear and effective. Our future scope for this project is assigning exercise. Looking ahead, there is a future scope for a system to assign the therapeutic exercise based on the recognized speech and patient progress. This would further enhance personalized care for improving actionable tasks that a patient can follow to improve their health. This is the whole overview of our project. Thank you.